it. Hi, I'm here with Dr. Jeff Schacter from Calgary, Canada, and the inventor and developer of Nuvaply, the first professionally tested peel and stick patch for treatment tables. Jeff, how did you get started with this product?
I've been practicing for 30 years, and a huge problem we've had over the years is our tables rip. Since it's the most important equipment we have other than our hands in a chiropractic setting, we've got to keep it intact, we've got to keep it clean, because we see a lot of patients on the table. So for years, anytime a table rips, you either leave it and it looks ugly, or when it's bad enough we put duct tape on, which is uglier. When we finally give up that we're so embarrassed by how it looks, then we finally go and get it recovered. $300, $400, $500, you lose a table for several rooms. It just wasn't making sense because we were doing it all the time. I'd been looking for a peel and stick patch for years, never found it. And then through a connection, a patient of mine who, when I was telling him about my idea, phoned me the next day, said, "Jeff, it doesn't exist, let's develop it."
So why is it important to have intact surfaces?
Again, first of all, it's important to get rid of the ugly factor, but the intact surfaces, so we're not passing bacteria from patient to patient, because if there's a tear, you're going to collect bacteria, the next patient on, it's going to get the same bacteria coming their way. If it's duct tape, you're still going to get the bacteria. It's not cleanable. Nuvaply puts the surface back intact. It's cleanable. We've tested it, and it'll stop the rip from spreading, and it'll last for a year or two. So you've saved the money from recovering it. You've got a longer lasting table, and it's hygienic.
So the Nuvaply product's been on the market now for a few years. Tell us how it's going.
It's actually going awesome, like very fast. We've got large web sales through our website. It's every day it seems like we're selling more and more. I think we've sold over 1,500 chiropractors so far. And not only chiropractors, physio, massage, barbershops, restaurants. It's going awesome that way. We've got international distributors which are very excited about the product because there is no answer to the problem we've solved. And it's very cool because we've sold some big chains where we can actually do logoed patches. So now they can name brand their table. So it's not only for just rips, but they can actually do it to promote their own company.
So tell us what's happening in the next 6 to 12 months with the Nuvaply product range.
We want to keep it growing. We want to really take care of the chiropractic profession and the physio and the massage and really help them have a clean, hygienic, good-looking practice and get more use out of their tables.
So where are you going in the future with Nuvaply?
It's growing very fast. We're quite excited with what's happening. We've introduced more colors. So now we've got 6 colors that are either going to match or complement any table out there right now. So we've covered all our bases that way. We've recognized that there might be some other sizes that are necessary. So we've actually designed a new size for tables to fix those little areas that were tough to reach.
Great. So before we go, Dr. Jeff, can you actually apply a Nuvaply on the table and show us how it's used?
I was hoping you'd ask. I've been saving this rip for you for the last couple days. We've cleaned the surface, it's dried, which only takes minutes anyways. It comes in this package we've just developed. It's got the 4x4 bonus, but the strips which are for the little corners and the areas that are tough to reach. And again, you're out of practice or you're not working for 10 seconds while you're doing this. So you set it up, you put it on gently, you apply it, you've lost no downtime in your practice, and you're back practicing minutes later. The table's still being used, cleanable, it's on solid, and it's awesome.
Thank you very much for your time today, Dr. Jeff. Please visit www.nuvaply.com for more information on this exciting chiropractic developed product. The only product that saves you money while enhancing your practice.